Hi all, I am Suchithra, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about the topic of K-memes clustering example. In previous video we have seen what is K-memes clustering. In this video we are going to discuss about the K-memes clustering examples. Okay, we'll see the first example, customer segmentation with K-means. As an example, we will show the K-memes algorithm work with a sample dataset of delivery fleet driver data. For the sake of simplicity, we will only be looking at the two driver features, mean distance driven per day and the mean percentage of a time a driver was greater than 5 meter per hour over the speed limit. In general, this algorithm can be used for any number of features. So as long as the number of data samples is much greater than the number of features. First one is data collection and processing. This is the first step. The first step is to collect and pre-process the delivery fleet data. This involves handling missing values, normalizing numerical features, and encoding categorical variable. Let's assume that the data set has been cleaned and prepared for analysis. Feature selection. Next step is we select relevant features from the data set that are important for clustering. These features may include vehicle type, mileage, and maintenance cost. Among others, feature selection helps in improving clustering accuracy and also reduce the computational complexity of the algorithm. The next step is choosing the number of clusters. Before applying K-means clustering, we need to determine the optimal number of clusters for our data. We can use technique like the elbow method or Silhouette analysis to find the best value of K that captures the underlying structure of a data. The next step, fourth step, is applying K-memes cluster. Now we apply the K-memes cluster algorithm to the pre-processed data. With the chosen number of clusters, the algorithm assigns each delivery vehicle to one of the K cluster based on similarity in these features. The centroid of the cluster represents the average characteristic of vehicle with each cluster. The next step is evaluation of clustering result. After clustering, we evaluate the result to assess the quality of the cluster. We can use metrics such as inertia, Silhouette score, and Davis-Bowden index to measure how well the cluster are separated and how compact they are. Interpretation of cluster. Finally, we interpret the cluster to find the characteristic of vehicle within each cluster. This information can be used for fleet management decisions such as vehicle assignments, maintenance scheduling, and route optimization. Conclusion. By applying K-means clustering to delivery fleet data, we can gain valuable insight into the composition and behavior of the fleet. This helps in making data-driven decisions to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance overall performance in delivery operation. Now we will see the second example, that is retail marketing. Retail companies often use clustering to identify groups of households that are similar to each other. For example, a retail company may collecting the following information on households. What are the information means? Household income, household size, head of the household or occupation, distance from nearest urban area. They can then feed this variable into clustering algorithm to perhaps identify the following cluster. Cluster 1 is small family, high spenders. Cluster 2, large family, high spenders. Third cluster, small family, low spenders. Cluster 4, large family, low spenders. The company can then send personalized advertisement or sales letter to each household based on how likely they are respond to specific types of advertisement. Thank you everyone.